Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about saving, looking for a discounted item, promotion item, sales item. Sometimes I do like a review on a product, either I paid by myself or sometimes it's sent over by the merchant. Either way, it will be disclosed in the video. And also sometimes I just do maintenance on my car, which is a 2023 Model Y Tesla, or the Acadia 2012 that I just bought, right? So if that's something that you're interested, you come to the right place. And if you like the video, please feel free to give it a like. And if you love the channel, and if some way, somehow the channel has saved you money, then feel free to subscribe. And in this video, I'll be talking about, or I'll be unboxing about this Basenor's item that's been sent over by Basenor. Thank you for sponsoring this video. As you guys have been aware, Basenor and I have been working together quite some time now, and they've been sent over like great items for me to review and to bring it to you guys. So in this video, we're gonna go over the we'll do the unbox of this basically it's a kit. It's for the side storage box door organizer, and it's gonna have the two front and two rear. So let's do the unboxing right now. And on this, it says here, left rear door. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, that's one piece. And this one's right rear door, so you can't really miss it. Same thing, so I'll just put it back in the plastic. And the front looks like a little bit smaller. And front left door. As you can see, these are pretty much just like slipped on, or you just place it on. There's no hinges, there's no bolt, there's nothing at all. It'll be like quick installations for you guys. And this one is our front right door. Looks like the size of the cup holder. Right. So that's pretty much it. It's very straightforward, pretty easy. And inside, it does have the installation guide. Don't forget about that one. And it actually has the color of my vehicle as well too, red. And it shows you right here, installations, locations, left door front and left rear door and right rear door. There's actually a typo, because this one should be like left front door, and then this one should be rear right instead of rear front. But other than that, like if you want, you can scan the QR code and give you the installation as well too. Like I said, this installation should be really straightforward. All you gotta do is just like slip it on. Okay, so we're gonna do the front right first. So basically, you just stick it in, put it inside, and push it down. All right. Once you push it all the way down, and it sits right there, snugged. Nothing else. Quick and easy. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so I just did the front right, and now we're gonna do the rear right. Okay, so the rear right, it should look like this. Right. So all we're gonna do, we're just gonna push this down, push it in, and then push it in here. It's got a little bit of play, but it will work. There we go. Once you push it inside, it fits snugly like that. And then just move it to, there we go. Done. Quick and easy. All right, so we're gonna do the other side. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna do the front left. So it looks like this. Push it in. all the way in. Once you go all the way down, and you can feel it that it's flush against the, you know, the door, and that's it. Obviously really nicely fitted, so really nice. All right guys, so we just completed the installations. I think overall it should take you guys no more than 10 minutes. And the fact that it's plastic, so you guys just need to wiggle it a little bit, and then just follow like the instructions, like where it says front left, front right, rear left, rear right, and then all sit snug. Once again, I want to thank Basenor for sponsoring this video, for sending us like the product to the unboxing and the review. If you guys like me, or you guys live in anywhere that is really hot, I tinted my front windows, the windshield, and the two front already with ceramic already, but you know, it's still hot. So with this right here is from Basenor. The installation is quick and easy, and it does help out with the heat. So if you guys in California, in the desert, Arizona, wherever, Florida, and if you interested in buying any of this stuff, you know, and as you can see, the installation and the install looks really clean, really nice as well too. So once again, if you guys have any questions on any of these products, I'll list it in the description sections. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.